Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Azmi and I make art videos twice a week. And in today's video, we're gonna paint this painting right here. It is Sophia Hagia, one of the most famous Islamic architecture in the world. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this painting, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. So today I'm painting Hagia Sophia, one of the most famous Islamic architecture in the world. So I start the painting by applying a mixture of Pthalo Blue and white all over the canvas. I'm putting the colors quite thickly because I'm not gonna do a second layer of blue. Then I've done a rough sketch of Hagia Sophia over the blue sky. Now I'm blocking in the colors. I'm using a mixture of burnt sienna and white for it. And for the shadows, I'm using Pthalo Blue and burnt sienna. So, a week ago, my mother was complaining that I never paint what she wants me to paint. So I asked her, what should I paint? She told me she wanted a mosque. And I was like, okay, I can do that. So that's why I decided to paint Hagia Sophia. Another reason was that my mother's name is Sophia. So it was a win-win choice for me. But honestly, I'm currently very interested in architectural paintings. So I think I'm gonna paint more like this. And if you guys wanna see more of architectural paintings like that, feel free to comment down below. Now for the trees, I used a mixture of sap green and burnt sienna. A bit of yellow as well here and there. As the architecture was my main focus, I did not want to add too much details to the trees. So that it looks like the trees are there, but they are not the first thing you notice when you look at the painting. This is very crucial. You should always choose a focal part for your paintings. If you try to add details to every part, it will end up looking a bit childish and unprofessional. This applies to landscape paintings mostly. And for portrait paintings, I don't do portraits. But I'm sorry for the late upload of this video. There were some difficulties in my PC, plus my mother is really sick. I mean, it would mean a lot to me if you guys could pray for her. While working with acrylics, it's better to go from dark to light. That means put the darkest colors first and then add lighter colors as highlights. The opposite technique is used for watercolor paintings. As you can see, I put my darker green to the trees first, and now I am adding yellow and light green colors over it. It's all about layering. So be patient and slowly build up your layers. And keep practicing, cause practice makes a person perfect, right? And I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then check out my Bangla art series called Learn Acrylic, which I upload every Tuesday. You remember that, right? For more, don't forget to subscribe cause it means a lot to me. So just subscribe. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below what you want me to paint next. And I will see you guys this Tuesday. Until then, Allah Hafiz.